to die if you all can be together. If you all can be together. Actually, it is a story of a that businessman and his family. They went for the sea voyage. Sea voyage, समुद्री यात्रा के लिए वो चले गए थे. What problem they faced, and even there was some boy of 6 years and 7-year-old girl. They told actually this sentence. We are not afraid to die because they were about to die in the sea. They were thinking that their end was near. उनका जो एंड था नजदीक आ गया था बिकॉज ऑफ द वेरियस प्रॉब्लम फेस्ड बाय देम इन द सी. समुद्र में जो भी प्रॉब्लम थी, बिग वेव्स एंड ऑल, दे स्ट्रक अगेंस्ट देयर बोट. उनकी बोट को टकरा गई थी. एंड एट दैट टाइम द फादर वाज ट्राइंग टू सेव देम एट एनी कॉस्ट. उनके फादर थे जो उनको ट्राई कर रहे थे सेव करने के लिए एट एनी कॉस्ट. एट दैट टाइम द सन टोल्ड, उसके जो सन था जस्ट 6 years old, केवल 6 वर्ष का था. He told, we are not afraid to die if all can be together. कैसे गए? It motivated, this sentence motivated father, and he with his all power he tried to save the family from that disaster or from that sea. Okay, समुद्र से उसने बचाने की कोशिश की. So today we will go only for the introduction part. Okay, we are not afraid to die if you all can be together. It is by Gordon Cook and Alan East. The writer is Gordon Cook and Alan East. Now in this there are mainly 4 characters are there. Mainly 4 characters. The character revolves around a part of round the world voyage. वो पूरी दुनिया की सैर करना चाहते थे. सी voyage, समुद्री यात्रा करना चाहते थे. Undertaken by the narrator and his family. जो narrator था और उसकी family थी. Narrator and his wife and 2 children. And 2 other sailors were there. और 2 दूसरे sailors थे. Those were helping them in monitoring or controlling the boat. उस बोट को कंट्रोल करने के लिए sailors, actually sailors means नाविक, those who are having the skill in controlling the boat in different weather condition. Weather condition means in the sea. समुद्र में काफी वो होती है लहरें एंड ऑल, ये काफी उठती हैं. समटाइम these are very big waves. बहुत बड़ी बड़ी waves होती हैं. It is very difficult to go for sailing and all. But those who are expert in that, and what are the different safety devices they have to observe, किस तरह की safety device observe करते हैं. And let's go for the introductory part of this chapter. इस chapter का जो introductory part है we will go. Okay. Now first about the character. Now character, there are mainly actually 4 characters are there and 2 other sailors. 2 दूसरे sailor थे and 4 characters. It means the narrator and his wife, son and daughter. These are the 4 characters. The narrator is 37 years old businessman, and he wants to duplicate the round the world journey. Round the world journey जो duplicate करना चाहता था. Actually once that same journey was performed by Captain James Cook. Captain James Cook ने यही journey की थी. Same route he followed, and he also wants to follow the same route. वही route वो follow करना चाहता है. Okay, that is, and for that what preparation he has done. उसने क्या preparation की? He made a beautiful boat of the that is name of the boat is the Wave Walker. वेव आकर उसने बनाई, एंड इट वाज ब्यूटीफुली डिजाइंड विद द वुड. लकड़ी की एक बहुत अच्छी एंड वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग. इट कुड विदस्टैंड विद एनी अमाउंट ऑफ डिस्टर्बेंस इन द सी. समुद्र में किसी भी तरह का डिस्टर्बेंस हो वो उसको सहन कर सकती थी. दैट वाज ब्यूटीफुली मेड. इस तरह से बनाई गई. एंड द मैरी, सी द नरेटर्स वाइफ, जो मैरी थी वो नरेटर की वाइफ थी. एंड शी स्पोर्ट्स द हस्बैंड ड्रीम एंड इम्प्रूव द हर सी स्किल. वो भी अपनी सी स्किल मीन द प्रैक्टिसिंग इन द सी व्हाट एवर द रफेस्ट सी दे कुड गेट. इन्हें पहले फर्स्ट दे मेड द बोट, पहले उन्होंने बोट बनाई, देन दे स्टार्टेड प्रैक्टिस. उसकी प्रैक्टिस करने लगे अंडर डिफरेंट कंडीशंस. दे ट्राई टू सेल द उसको सेलिंग एंड ऑल. सेलिंग स्किल्स मींस जो नाव चलाने की स्किल थी, दे ट्राई टू इम्प्रूव है, उनकी इम्प्रूव करने की कोशिश की. एंड व्हाट एवर द रफेस्ट वेदर दे कुड गेट. इस तरह का रफेस्ट वेदर इज डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ मूवमेंट इन द सी. समुद्र में जो अलग अलग तरह की हलचल होती थी, जो भी मैक्सिमम मिल सकती थी, दे ट्राइड एंड ट्राई टू इम्प्रूव देयर स्किल. अपनी स्किल इम्प्रूव करने की कोशिश. एंड नेक्स्ट इज लैरी विजिल, एन अमेरिकन. ये अमेरिकन सेलर है हु जॉइंस एक्चुअली. एंड देयर वाज वन हर्ब सिजलर, अ स्विस, ही इज फ्रॉम स्विट्जरलैंड. दीज आर द 2 सेलर्स. ये 2 सेलर्स है. एंड नाउ सुजेन, the narrator 7-year-old daughter, Sujane, जो 7-year-old daughter थी, and who displays immense courage through this voyage. Means there even the children, see these children, this Sujane and Jonathan, they are 6 years and 7 years old. That's all. but they show the rare courage during the time of difficulties or in the crisis hour, in the hours of crisis. जो भी जब भी मुसीबत आई थी उस समय they shown the courage like a adult की तरह इन्होंने courage और साहस दिखाया. Okay, so let's start with the journey. कैसे उन्होंने जर्नी स्टार्ट की थी. The voyage began. इनकी जो यात्रा शुरू होती थी. In July 1976, the narrator, 37-year-old businessman, his wife Mary, and 6-year-old son Jonathan, 7-year-old daughter Suzanne, started their voyage from the Plymouth, England. Plymouth से in 1976, July 1976 में they started this journey. ये journey start कर दी. They wished to go round the world on the large sea journey, just as Captain James Cook had done 200 years ago. 200 years earlier, जो कैप्टन जेम्स कुक ने जो सी वोवेज की थी, समुद्र की यात्रा की थी, they wanted to do the same route. They wanted to follow the same route. वही रूट फॉलो करना चाहते थे, डुप्लीकेट था. And the narrator and his wife spent 16 years for the round the world voyage, preparing for 16 years. Means they took 15 years to 16 years to prepare themselves for the journey. इस यात्रा के लिए उन्होंने 16 years they spent. Whatever the free time they were having, they try to improve their seafaring skill and all, sea skill rather, you can say, sailing skill. And now the narrator and his wife had spent 16 years for round the world voyage and improving their marine skill. Marine again, the in the sea. And their boat Waywalker, उनकी जो बोट थी, it was 23 meter long and 30 ton, 23 meter long, 23 meter and 30 ton boat, 30 ton wood was used to form the to make this boat. इस बोट को बनाने के लिए 30 ton wood लगी. And very efficiently, professionally, the built, and it was tested in the roughest weather. और इसको टेस्ट भी किया जाता rough weather. The part of their planned journey was about 1,05,000 kilometer journey. Total 1,05,000 kilometer की journey थी first part, and that passed pleasantly as they sailed down from west coast of Africa. अफ्रीका के जो वेस्ट कोस्ट केप टाउन से जो चले थे, वहां तक एक्चुअली देयर इज नो मच डिस्टर्बेंस इन द सी. समुद्र में ज्यादा डिस्टर्बेंस नहीं है. देयर जर्नी इट वाज वेरी प्लेजेंट, बिल्कुल इट वाज कंफर्टेबल जर्नी. देन दे टूक टू crewmen, two sailors. They took the American Larry Vigils and the Swiss Herb Sizzler before heading for the from the Cape Town. ईस्ट की तरफ चलने से पहले they took these sailors, दो sailor उन्होंने. The problem begin now. Up to 1,05,000 their journey was totally comfortable. ये comfortable थी. On the second day of the Cape Town, जब वो second day when they started from the Cape Town, they encounter strong wind and high waves. Strong wind चलने लगी and high waves, बड़ी-बड़ी लहरें they started facing. ये face करना शुरू. The windstorm continued for the next few weeks. काफी week तक this windstorm and all they continued, चलते रहे. And the size of wave were up to 15 meter. ये 15 meter तक की मतलब that size of the waves, जो waves का जो लहरें थी, it was near about 15 meters high. On December 25th, they were 335 kilometer east of the Cape Town. The east से 3,500 kilometer थे. But the weather was very bad. यहाँ पर weather काफी खराब था. Actually, it is in the 25th December, Christmas. Despite the bad weather, they celebrated Christmas Day wonderfully and New Year's Day. New Year's Day and Christmas Day they celebrated on the boat, on board rather you can say. On board कह सकते हैं या on the boat they celebrated. Okay, so up to the 31st and all, their journey was quite comfortable. On 2nd January, the wave were very gigantic, very strong wave it started. मतलब बहुत सी बड़ी हो गई थी. And they were sailing with the small storm jib. Actually, storm jibs and all, these are to control, because if we use the big storm jib, the speed will be more. And in that weather, if speed is more, it is likely to upturn. वो उल्टा होने के चांस होते हैं. And the speed will be more. It is very difficult to control. Control करना मुश्किल हो जाता. That's why they have used the this one small storm jib. But still, they were going very fast. अब भी fast चल रहे थे because of that. The boat moved on to the top of each wave with a gigantic and dangerous wind continued to terrorize them. Dangerous wind. मतलब it was creating a continuously fear in their mind. उनके mind में हमेशा fear create हो रहा था, and they were facing all this. To minimize the damage, they dropped the storm jeep को और नीचे कर दिया, so that speed is reduced, जिससे कि उनकी स्पीड कम हो जाए, and lashed a heavy loop in the loop across the stern. Stern means front portion. They put the heavy this one rope, heavy rope लगा दी, nylon ropes and also that whenever the wave strikes, it should not damage directly to the boat. बोट को डायरेक्टली नुकसान ना हो जब वेव्स उससे, जब लहरें उसको टकराएं, एंड दैट्स व्हाई दे यूज दिस वन. तो उसके आगे these are the safety precautions they observed. ये safety precaution. Then they fastened everything, went to their life rafting skill. Life rafting means life saving skill. What are the things to be attached during this type of weather in case there is a this boat if upturns, अगर ये उल्टी हो जाती है or it sinks in the water, how they are going to save themselves. Actually when they are going to sea, all these things are required. ये उनकी चीजें होती हैं, life jackets and all. लाइफ जैकेट होती है where the air is filled up in the clothing, कपड़ों में एयर भरी जाती है, so that when in case the boat turns, अगर उनकी बोट टर्न्स हो जाती है, डूब जाती है, and they will float on the over the water, वो पानी के ऊपर फ्लोट करते रहेंगे. Okay, so like this is the sea pairing. Let's see how many total participants now. 18, 16, okay, 16. So all these things, this was done, and then they fastened everything. हर चीज को उन्होंने दोबारा फास्ट कर दिया, fasten, and the oil skin actually waterproof jackets and all they put on, and life jackets क्या होती है, with the they put the air and all, उसमें हवा भरी जाती है, and themselves for the worst case scenario, means the for the worst weather they were trying to prepare themselves, अपने आप को prepare कर रहे. Now the disaster starts. अब उनकी जो problems होती है, that starts. The first indication of impending disaster came at the 6 p.m. 6 p.m. means on the 2nd January. On the 6 p.m. the first impending disaster means coming dangerous. Some hints came, कुछ indication आई. The wind stopped, एकदम हवा रुक गई, and the sky immediately grew dark. अंधेरा बिल्कुल छा गया था. And a loud roaring sound was heard. Roaring sound, cloud, thundering, and all sorts of sound in the sea. The narrator thought that he saw a cloud coming to us. Narrator ने सोचा some cloud is coming, but that was the waves. लेकिन वो समुद्री लहरें. With the horror, he realized that it was not a cloud, the biggest wave that had ever seen. इतनी बड़ी wave he had never seen in his life. उसने अपनी जिंदगी में ये wave नहीं देखी थी, इतनी बड़ी लहर नहीं देखी. It appeared vertical, बिल्कुल vertical, समानांतर टाइप, and double the height of all other waves. जितनी भी अभी तक wave आई थी 15 meter, 20 meter, it was double to that, इनसे double. The wave hit the boat with a tremendous explosion, very tremendous, very grave, serious explosion. Explosion means just one sort of विस्फोट and all, and shook the deck. Deck means that top portion बिल्कुल उसका तो हिला दिया था. Water poured into the boat. पानी आ गया था because of that wave was very long, बहुत ही बड़ी थी. And the narrator had smashed against the steering wheel. उसका जो head था, it smashed against, striking, टकरा गया था. Steering wheel जो wheel था जिसपे control कर रहा था, उसके जाके उसका सिर लगा. The boat, and before it knew, he was thrown into the sea. जब इससे पहले उसको पता लगे, he was thrown into the sea. वो समुद्र में फेंक दिया गया था. He thought that he was going to die. And उसने सोचा वो now his end was near, उसका अंत आ गया था. But suddenly his head popped out of the water. But suddenly his head popped out. उसका सिर बाहर आया पानी से. Popped out of. He saw the boat and almost capsized. और उसने बोट को देखा, almost a half drawn. Suddenly a wave hurled it upright. But some opposite wave came and it put it on the right. उसको ठीक कर दिया वो. It was about. दूसरी तरफ से एक वेव आई और उस नाव को and narrator was toasted up into the boat. और narrator को भी एक बार toasted, just throwing into the boat. बोट के अंदर उसको फेंक दिया गया. And his left ribs were cracked. Because of that movement, his left ribs, उसकी पसलियां टूट गई. His mouth was filled with blood. उसके मुंह से मतलब blood आ गया था. Some teeth were broken. उसके शायद कुछ दांत भी टूट गए थे. Because of that, somehow he managed to find the wheel. लेकिन किसी तरह he mustered his strength. उसने अपनी strength इकट्ठी की and he tried to find out the steering wheel. और उसने steering wheel and lined up the stern for the next wave to hang on. And he was ready. He was trying to line up, means straightening the this boat to face the next coming wave. अगली आने वाली वेव का वेव को फेस करने के लिए he was controlling the boat. अपनी बोट को वो सीधा कर रहा था. Now frantic survival attempt. Now they started. What are the problem other they faced apart from this? Because their this boat wave walker, it was little bit damaged also. The narrator knew that the boat was floating, flooding with water. उसमें पानी आने लग गया था because of the that strong wave it hit and it damaged some part of the this boat. बोट का कुछ पार्ट उससे डैमेज हो गया था. Some water started and but he dared not abandon the wheel. लेकिन वो व्हील को छोड़ना नहीं चाहता था because it may go out of control. And the investigate suddenly. लेकिन वो and to investigate करने के लिए from where the water is coming. He wanted to do some patchwork and all. उसमें कुछ काम भी कर सकते थे. Mary came and informed that the boat was sinking and the water was pouring in. Mary ने आके बताया the boat was sinking, डूब रही है and the water is coming in उसके अंदर. He handed the wheel on to her. उसको उसने wheel steering wheel, controlling wheel. He hand over to her. उसको दे दिया and crawled towards the hedge. और hedge उसकी तरफ जाने लगा. And Larry and Herbs pumped the water on like a madman. Madman की तरह Larry and Herbs जो those were two crew members जो sailors थे, they started pumping out the water. वो पानी को पंप करके बाहर फेंक रहे. And the wooden beams and the had broken. जो beams होता that support the whole this one boat that was broken. And the whole starboard side had bulged inward, gone inside because of the tremendous shock or rather can say strike. उसकी strike होने से वो अंदर की चला गया. That was the damage done to the boat. Boat को जो damage हुआ था, मतलब some portion of the starboard side. Starboard side का मतलब क्या होता है? वो right side. Right side. And the clothes, the whole starboard side bulge, the clothes, crockery, charts, tin, and moved away noisily in water. पानी में सारी चीजें ये जा रही थी because the water was pouring into the boat and the boat had been damaged. काफी damage हो चुकी थी. He somehow managed to reach the children. अब वो बच्चों के पास पहुंचा and Shue had a big bump on her head. उसके ऊपर एक big bump, some sort of swelling on the head. Shue के साथ में थी and which he did not pay much attention. उसकी तरफ भी ध्यान नहीं दिया. He found a hammer, screw and convex. एक hammer, हथौड़ा and screw, all nut and all to convex to block the flooding in of water. पानी जो अंदर आ रहा था, he wanted to block it, उसको बंद करना चाहता. Somehow he managed to stretch the convex. इसी तरह से उसने convex को वहाँ पर stretch किया, spread किया and secured waterproof hedge covers. और उस पे waterproof hedge cover hedge means which can be pushed in, जो अंदर push fit किए जाते हैं, that type of. And across the gaping hole, उन gap में उसको fix कर दिया. And some water continued to come in. कुछ पानी now आने लगा. It means the full flow it was stopped. Only some water it started coming. अब कुछ पानी ही शुरू हुआ. Most of it could be prevented from entering the. और काफी पानी उन्होंने before entering into the boat it was prevented because he plugged the hole. उसने उसको plug कर दिया था, बंद कर दिया था. But this was not the end of their trouble. Means here their trouble did not end. यहाँ पर नहीं खत्म हुआ था. Still, the hand pump started jamming. Now hand pump, whatever water they were pumping out from the boat, it started jamming. Jam होना शुरू किया था. With the trash floating around the cabins. Whatever the trash, whatever the things were there in the water. पानी में जो चीजें आ गई थी that were in the pumps and pump stopped working. Pump में आ गई थी and they stopped working. Soon their electric pump got short circuited. और उनका जो electric pump था that got short circuited. उसकी जो मोटर थी stopped working because of some short circuit. आपस में तार मिलने से जो कुछ हुआ and they were damaged. Water rose threateningly. Now water started rising in the boat में. He found that the two spare pump had been pulled away by the current along with the forestay sail. मतलब जो वो sail के जो extra two वो थे that has been pulled away. वो निकाल लिए. The jib and the lifeboats and the main anchor वो उन्होंने निकाल लिए when the water started coming. He managed to find another electric pump to drain out the water. पानी के लिए उसको दूसरा electric pump मिल गया था and the night was an endless bitterly cold. और उस दिन उस रात में, because it started at 6 o'clock 6 p.m. and continuously throughout the night they kept on working on this cold wave routine of pumping. एक तो ठंडी हवा चल रही थी, pumping out the water because they have to maintain the flow and outflow equal so that it should not become dangerous. जितना पानी अंदर आ रहा था उतना ही निकालना जरूरी था. And the steering and working the radio, उसमें steering controlling the boat and working on the radio. Actually radio system has to be there in the all the ships and all boat whatever they are. However, there was no response to the midday calls. Actually, what is midday call? Actually, it is one sort of the SOS signal. Save our soul means in case any aeroplane or any ship is in danger, this is just a one button they have to press. It is just like a broadcast. It will be broadcasted in the nearby area, and any other aeroplane or any other ship is in nearby area, he or she will hear all this. वो उसकी तक it will be transmitted to that and they can come for rescue and all. उनको बचाने के लिए वो वहां तक चले जाते हैं. सिग्नल इट इज जस्ट लाइक ए रेडियो ब्रॉडकास्टिंग. जैसे रेडियो पे ब्रॉडकास्ट होता है, इट जस्ट लाइक मेड ए डेंजरस कॉल. दैट इज ए डेंजरस. And they were in remote corner of the world because remote corner why it is called because there were no signal, poor signals were there. And Shu's head had swollen alarmingly. Shu का जो head था it has swollen alarmingly, pretty dangerously. It has swollen, उसपे swelling. And she had two black eyes and deep cut on her arm. उसकी जो आंखें थी that has become black and two deep cut भी लगे हुए थे उसकी arms पे. She did not tell the narrator more of her injuries. अपनी इंजरी के बारे में उसने कभी नहीं बताया उसको फादर को, अपने फादर को. She never told. She did not want to worry him when he was trying to save him. Why she did not do? Sometimes there may be a question why she did not tell, because her father was trying to save them at any cost and she did not want to worry him. उसको और ज़्यादा चिंतित नहीं करना चाहती. Okay, now next, on the morning of January 3rd. Now January 3rd, the pumps had reduced the amount of water on board. उन्होंने काफी पानी कम कर दिया था. Each of them could take rest for 2 hours in turns. 2 घंटे हर कोई, मतलब turn wise they can take rest. वो rest ले सकते थे. They survived for 15 hours since the wave hit the wave water. 15 घंटे तक they survived. उन्होंने अपने आप को बचाए रखा. But the boat was not strong enough to take them to Australia. मतलब boat, मतलब it was damaged so badly, इतनी badly damaged हो चुकी थी that boat was not so strong enough. Now it was not strong enough, इतनी ज़्यादा strong नहीं थी that they could reach Australia. Australia पहुंचे. The narrator knew that the boat would not hold together long enough. वो ज़्यादा दिन तक, मतलब ज़्यादा देर तक अब इसको waves को hold नहीं कर पाएगी, bear नहीं कर पाएगी, tolerate नहीं कर पाएगी. And he checked his charts. Now they started checking the chart. Actually charts and all it is there, map होता है. And whenever this even in there is a aerial map and all this side also, in the sea also different island are these are expressed in case they want to go there, angles and all everything is, and calculated that only one hope for them. उनके लिए केवल एक उम्मीद थी. मतलब there was nothing in the near the sea, only water and water, and they were in a great trouble. काफी trouble में थी. So they were having water and water everywhere. But there was one Amsterdam island. Amsterdam, this is name. It is a French scientific base. French का scientific base था, science का base था, where they want to do some scientific experiment. वहाँ पर कोई science के experiment करना चाहते थे. उनकी lab थी. And one of the 2 pinpricks in the vast ocean. मतलब ये 2 ही जगह थी. And Mary found some corned beef and the cracker biscuits. Mary को कुछ beefs and all, meat and all, and कुछ biscuits मिल गए. And they ate their first meal in almost 2 days. Almost after 2 days, they were able to take their first meal. However, their relief was short-lived. Means this sort of relief. What was the relief? They were now able to take the rest in 2 hours in turn. Upon turn wise, they could take the 2 hour rest. It means the flow of the water was that much. It was not more. Flow of the water was not so dangerously. Means whatever amount of the water they were pumping out, it was coming less than that. So they were in a little bit comfortable position. वो थोड़ी सी comfortable position में थी. However, their relief was short-lived. The weather again started deteriorating. दोबारा फिर weather उनका खराब होने लगा. And by the dawn on 5th January की सुबह तक, and their situation was again desperate, hopelessness. बिल्कुल ऐसा ही हो चुके थे. and we are not afraid to die if we all can be together. Now, in this condition, means their end was near. At any time, their boat can upturn and it can sink in the sea. समुद्र में डूब सकती थी, and there was no one to help them. They have made a midday call also. Mayday call. Mayday call is a dangerous call to save. SOS signal actually that is called save our soul. हमारी मतलब हमें बचाओ. That type of signal is it is one sort of a broadcasting. एक broadcast होता है इसमें boat number, name and all and the members. It is actually feed in that. इसके अंदर feed किया जाता है. The narrator went to comfort the children. अब narrator now he went to comfort the children and he tried to assure them that they were going to make it. और उसने assure किया कि we are going to save ourselves. मतलब we'll be able to save live now. अब हम जी सकते हैं and survive now. Then no problem. And but John said that they were not afraid to die. Jonathan, the son, 6 years old, he told, we are not afraid to die if we all can be together. अगर हम together हैं, means father, mother, sister, and Jonathan. And this gave the narrator hope and reason to fight the sea with all might what he had. जो भी उसकी might थी, जो भी उसकी ताकत थी, now he had got again the power to fight against the old conditions of the sea. जो भी old condition थी, now he was able to fight. And he tried his best to protect the weak and starboard side of the boat. उसको protect करने की कोशिश की. However, later in the evening, as more water came into the boat, they felt deteriorated, defeated again. उनको फिर ऐसा लग रहा था कि any time their ship can sink. कभी भी उनकी sink हो सकती है. On 6th January, now on 6th January, the weather improved. थोड़ा सा weather पे was a little change and it was improved. And the narrator again tried to calculate their position. अपनी position where they were actually. It is with the help of a compass and a little bit calculation. I think in science you might have gone through the longitude and latitude. So in geography, I think the part of geography, you must have gone through that. थोड़ा सा idea होगा आपको longitude and latitude to find out the location. And with the help of compass, they were able to find the direction. The narrator again tried to calculate while he was जब वो काम कर रहा. And Shu came to give him a card. उसको एक card देने आई थी. And he had drawn a caricature of the Mary and narrator. Mary और narrator means father mother का एक picture बनाई थी. And the card it said that both of them are the hope for the best. The narrator was filled with hope. They loved them both and hoped for the best. मतलब दोनों उनको बहुत प्यारे लगते, hope for the best. Even she told that my father is the best sailor in the world. मेरे father सबसे अच्छे sailor है. Sailor means who drives, who controls the ship or boat. Boat को चलाता. The most beautiful island. Now finally they reached on the narrator made several calculations. वो calculation करते रहे. Spare compass made adjustment. उसमें adjustment होती है because compass was there, but adjustment already it is. We have to do some adjustment calculation because Earth also moves side by side. Within 24 hours, it makes around complete कर देती है on its own axis. So that calculation, that tolerance has to be set and accurate direction to be found out. And asked Larry to split a course of 85 degrees, steer it at a course of 185 degrees उसको turn करने के लिए था. He said that if we are lucky, we would see the island at 5 p.m. तो 5 बजे तक हमको इनको island हमें मिल जाएगा if we are lucky enough, अगर हम lucky हैं. Dejected, he went down to his bunk and fell asleep. उससे hopelessly he went to the down और वहाँ थोड़ी नींद आ गई because of the tiredness and all. And it was about 6, means only 5 p.m. after just 1 hour. When he woke up, he thought that they must have missed the island. उन्होंने सोचा कि वो मिस कर गए island because 6 o'clock there was no news, nothing. Just then John and Sue came to him and gave him the hug. उसको आकर John और Sue ने उनको hug दिया, एक hug, and told that the best daddy in the world. और वो उनका best daddy था. The narrator was confused. अब narrator confused हो गया because he did not know that they have reached the island. वो Amsterdam island जो French air base, French scientific base था, they have reached. And she announced that the island was just in front of them. ये उनके सामने वो island था. And he rushed out to the deck and saw the most beautiful island in the world. It was the Isle Amsterdam. ये Amsterdam था. A piece of volcanic rock and a little vegetation. थोड़ी सी greenery थी and all. when his feet touched the land, next day जब वो अपने पाँव उन्होंने जमीन पर रखे, he thought the cheerfulness and the optimism of all the people. उन लोगों की सभी, it means that everyone has shown the courage during the time of crisis. Even the children, they shown the rare courage during this time. So this lesson is a very thrilling experience of the sea journey, and what are the problems they faced, and what we will in detail we will start reading the chapter in the next. Okay. Yes, students, you can unmute themselves for time being if you are having time. Dinesh sir, unmute them for some time. Yes, students, let me see how many participants. 15, 13 again, same. 16. Yes, students,